naka-work from home setup ka and nasa online meeting ka, and so ka na magsuot ng headset for a long period of time, please watch this video. Try natin ngayon itong eMeet na Office Core M1A. It is a Zoom certified na USB speakerphone. So nag-record ako ng Zoom footage ko about this one, and ito yung kanyang sound quality. So ngayon, ginagamit natin itong eMeet na Office Core M1A na USB speakerphone. So this is a two-way audio, and dalawa na yung mic niya, and 360 degrees yung voice pickup niya. So ano ba nagagawa nito? Of course, it acts as your speaker na sa PC or laptop mo. And at the same time, it acts as your microphone, and meron din siyang physical buttons na pwede mong i-adjust yung volume, pwede mong i-end call or i-answer call. And also, you can press the mute button and unmute. And take note lang sa mga Zoom meetings or any applications na ginagamit natin, nagsisynchronize yung buttons niya. So kapag pinindot mo yung unmute dito, you don't need to press the unmute dun sa Zoom meeting or sa mga any other platforms na ginagamit natin for online conferencing. So meron siyang ease of use. So you can just unmute whenever you wanted to speak. Ganun lang siya kadali gamitin. And also, powered siya via USB Type-C. And kasama na rin yung cable dito. Napaka-dali lang gamitin, plug and play. Maganda rin yung sound niya talaga. And also, you don't have to worry kung mag-feedback ba yung mga sasabihin mo dahil automatically niya kina-cancel out yung echo and feedback. So it is AI-powered na USB speakerphone. So if you're interested with this Zoom certified na eMeet Office Core M1A, just click the yellow basket down below and follow for more. Comment nyo lang sa baba kung may mga katanungan kayo.